Hello, grade 3. Welcome to our first lesson here in our life skills subject. So, why do we need to learn about this subject? So, from the word life itself, it is important in our life, especially you as young children. You need to learn about this too. So, these are the things or the advantages that we will get if we learn life skills. Number 1, emotion control, life balance, creative thinking, effective communication, critical thinking, optimistic, empathy, self-esteem, self-awareness, and get along with others. Okay? See this? These are all the things that we need, especially you as young children. You need to be trained so when you grow up you will be more successful and a better person. Okay, so look at them. They have different career. So all of us also, of course, we dream differently, right? We all have different dreams. Some may have the same, but not all of us have the same. So let's start with the very simple one, the basic one. Let's start with working for oneself. Working for your own self as a student. Okay? So this start from housework. Okay? Housework includes working for oneself. And it also includes working for the public and working for your family. So there are 3 categories of housework. So let's start with working for oneself, which includes preparing study tools and equipment, cleaning your school bag and shoes, and many more. Especially now that we have online learning, you need to also prepare your things that you need in online learning, such as your iPad or your computer, your books, your notebooks, pen, pencil, and many more. Okay? You have to be responsible. You don't have to ask your mom or your dad to prepare it for you. Especially that you are already in grade 3, you have to know it yourself. You have to do it yourself. The next one here is working for your family. This includes brushing, sweeping, wiping, and mopping, and many more. Okay? Helping your family with the household chores. Especially if in the morning after you wake up, you should make the bed or fix your bed before you go to shower, right? Or you help wash the dishes, you help sweep the floor or mop, or look at the picture. The toys that you use, you need to also learn to put them where? In the proper place. Okay, not just leave them after using them. Okay, next is working for public. This includes cleaning your classroom, emptying the garbage, and many more. There are many things that you can do to help in public, okay? We can also consider that helping in school, right? Cleaning your school classroom, especially your classroom. You help your teachers, you help your classmates make your classroom clean and tidy. And another here is, okay, let's start again, or let's proceed to working for oneself. And number 1, study preparation. Pack your school bag every day based on your timetable. So one thing that will help you to be on time, or to be independent, Okay, you need to pack your school bag every day based on your timetable. But this now is not yet applicable because we are not going to school yet, right? But on regular days, you have your timetable and you have different subjects. So you don't have to bring all your books. You just carry the books or bring the books that you have in that particular day. Next is keep pencils and erasers ready for use in your pencil box and put rulers in your school bag. Okay, so all the things that you need, you keep it in your bag, arrange. You should know where do you put them so it's easy for you to find them also. And what else do you need to do for study preparation? What do you do before you go to school or before you study online? Okay, number 2 is cleaning your bag. Cleaning your school bag, of course, that is important. Next, cleaning your shoes. We need to clean our shoes too. And question, how do you clean your leather shoes or your black shoes? Okay, you have your black shoes, right? Do we need to clean them with water? This one? No. So, number 1, prepare tools and equipment for cleaning leather shoes, such as a shoe brush, dry cloth, and shoe polish. Okay, did we say water here? No, we are not allowed to use water for our leather shoes. Okay, next, dust your leather shoes by using a shoe brush. Use a warm damp cloth to wipe dirt stains off the leather. Then, wipe them one more time with a dry cloth. I know it's very easy, it's very basic, but we have to still learn this, okay? Because I know it's just a review for you. Next, number 3, use a shoe brush or dry cloth with shoe polish to wipe the outside of your shoes. Make sure that you wait until the shoes are dry before putting them away. And how about for working your family? And these, okay, we talked it earlier. This includes brushing, sweeping, wiping, and mopping. So what are the tools and equipment for cleaning the house? So number 1, for brushing, these are called duster. So you have it at home, right? So we use it to dust, okay, or clean the dust on TV, shelves, on the table, and many more. Okay, and the number 2 here is for sweeping. We use either coconut stick or grass broom. Okay, so they have different uses. Usually coconut stick, we use them sweeping outside or in the backyard or front yard. But in grass broom, we use it inside our house, right, on the floor. Next is wiping. So we use rag and bucket. So these 2 are very important to wipe your windows, your walls, or it can also be table. Okay, it's very important. Next is mopping. Of course, we need a mop, and we can also use rag and bucket. How about working for your family? Another here is preparing drinks. Okay, preparing drinks, we all need to drink every day. We all need to drink water every day. Drinking water must be clean for safety. If not, it could make us sick. There are some important things that we can do to keep water clean. So number 1 here, drinking water needs to be clean before serving. Clean water includes as rainwater, filtered water, and boiled water. So we have here water jar to keep our water, or the water filter That's important also. And a kettle to boil the water. And number 2, we use water containers that are made up for drinking water only. These containers need to be cleaned regularly. It's very important as well to not use them for a very long time without cleaning them. Okay, remember, we need to clean our container. And the third one, sometimes we need to use our funnels. Okay, funnels. Look at a picture. For filling water bottles, funnels must be cleaned before using them, of course. Okay, and the fourth one, wash your hands with hand soap and dry your hands with a towel every time before filling water bottles. Of course, make sure your hand must be clean before you touch them, or else you just put another more germs on your water bottles, right? Next, working for public. As we can see here in the picture, the basic example is working in our school or helping cleaning our classroom, okay? Or emptying the garbage. That includes working for public. Look at them, they're helping one another. Next, cleaning your classroom. Tools and equipment for cleaning your classroom. So I know we use them all the time. So how do we clean our classroom? How do you clean your classroom? Do you remember that last year? Did you help your teacher clean your classroom? Of course, I know you answer it yes. I know you're very helpful. You are very good students. Okay, so what are the tools that we need? Okay, so it's the same with cleaning our what? Home. We can also use broom. We can also use mop or rag to wipe the table, right? We also use alcohol to sanitize our table, our things. And those are just some examples that we use to clean our classroom. Now, for your homework, I want you to draw a picture of working for oneself, family, and public that you have done in the box below. Then write a description under the picture. For example, working for oneself. What do I do to help myself be more productive, be more independent? So what do I do? Do I clean my bag? Do I arrange my things? Do I pack my bag? All the things that I need. So you draw it here, and then you you write here. What do you do? Or you write something about a picture. It's the same with working for family and working for public. So that's all. It's very easy, and I hope you enjoy doing your homework, and see you on our next lesson. Okay, bye.